Hello. How to analyze stocks for swing trading? If you are using long option and swing trading strategy, you'll open your stock watch list, and the next stocks that we like to analyze is BKNG. And it's good to do your chart analysis on a daily chart. Using daily chart, you can use maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart. We are going to use maximum daily chart. And for BKNG, with our long option and swing trading strategy, we are going to compare where the price is yesterday when the market closed, which was January 24th, 2025. The price went down that day. We'll compare that price to where we like to buy, and the price went down that day but still higher up compared to where we like to buy. Therefore, we'll just move to the next stocks. BLK is the next one to analyze. And we like to buy at this line. It does make a big mountain, so it could just be making a big one as well. Therefore, it's building the upside of the mountain, and it's still far from where we like to buy. The next one is BRO. We have BRO in our portfolio already, therefore we are not going to buy it again until we sell it. So we have two trend lines that we like to buy at, and we bought it at that one. The price went down a little bit and started going up. It seems to be a little bit higher than where we bought it, but we bought it at that trend line, which could well be the upside of the mountain though. And in that case, we could have purchased it toward the end of that side of the mountain. It could try to pull back to the lower level before going back up. We don't know, but we'll just keep observing it. BX. So BX, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now it's still going up following this trend line. It does make a big mountain. For that reason, it could just well be making one side of the mountain right now, and later might make the descent side of the mountain. The next one is KC. KC, we have 3 points that we like to enter, and right now is touching base with one of it, which is the upside of the mountain. So we'll prefer to just wait for that to drop to the second one before we get in, if that will do such things, because right now it's going up from there, so it could still have some ways to go. But I just feel like it does not make okay. So here we do have a wide mountain here, but it's just like for a while it just make the same side of mountain, or it could well decided to pull back to this line. We are just going to keep observing it so that we do not get in when it's just too is done creating that side of the mountain. The next one is CAT. So CAT, we have those 3 lines that we like to buy at, but right now is following this 2 line and continue to go up. The next one is CBRE. CBRE, we have this 1 line that we like to use to get in, but right now is going up. The next one is CL. CL, we like to get in at this 2 line, and right now is down, building the upside of the mountain and is building the downside of the mountain. We like to get in at the valley. The next one is CMG. CMD, we have those 2 points to enter, and right now it is at 1, but we are not seeing higher lows there yet for us to get in. The next one is COR. COR is highlighted because we purchased it this year, and we have 2 trend lines that we like to buy at, and we bought it at this trend line, and it start going up from there. You can see that when they pull back to it, making lower lows, when they start making higher lows, this low higher than this, and we got in, and it continued going forward from there. And yesterday it pulled back, so we have low there. The next one, excuse me, is Costco. COST. So we have 2, if not 3 trend lines, even 4 trend lines that we are keeping an eye on, and we can say that it is, this trend line is like the upside of the mountain side, and we are thinking about buying some at that trend line. But yesterday was a pullback. Even though we are having a higher lows there, yesterday was a pullback, a red bar, so we didn't buy. But again, buying it there, we need to be careful because it could well be one side of the mountain, or now I just didn't see it took a while to come back to it. But yeah, it could just be one side of the mountain. It could decide to come down to this trend line, or it could continue to go up from there. So the next one is CRM. CRM, we like to buy at this trend line. There is this trend line as well that is quite a long one, but because it make a wide mountain, we just prefer to wait for that to be done with that one side of the mountain and create the other side. When you reach that trend line, you will get in. So the next one is CSL. CSL does make a wide mountain, so we like to buy at this one. Right now it's not there, it's going up. Yesterday was a price drop though. The next one is DECK. So DECK, we have 2 trend lines here that we like to work with, but right now it's following that short trend line and it's still going up. The next one is DOV. So DOV, we have this long trend line. It does make a big mountain, so we are just going to wait to get in at the valley, because clearly it's making one side of the mountain right now. So ECL is the next one, and it does make a wide mountain, and it could well be making one, so we can just wait on it to be done, and when it come down to the trend line, we will get in. The next one is EQIX. And this one does make a big mountain as well, quite wide, across 2 years. It could well be doing one here, but right now it's still going up. We just prefer to wait at that trend line to get in. Do you see this line here? Let me see. If I activate it, it will, I don't know, it will go somewhere here. We can just leave it like that if that can give us a reference point. But yeah, it does make a wide mountain. The next one, those three we have in our portfolio, we have not sold them yet. Fast is one of them. We purchased a right higher up. Let me charge my computer. We purchased a higher up. The arrows just shows you where we bought it in the past, and the one on top shows you where we sold it in the past. So we bought it, it went up a little bit and then pull back to this area. You can see that this is a support, is a resistant line for previous mountain top that is resting on here and start going up from there. So it may not quite come close to this trend line here. It is a possibility, we don't know, but either way we are not buying more. We can just wait to sell it. But yeah, so the next one is FI. And FI, we bought it right up there. It went up a little bit and pulled back, and right now is resting there, but we prefer to buy a nest at those trend lines. We just don't know if they will come back down that low though, but we'll just keep observing the price to see what it's doing. And as you can see, it seems to be following this trend line here, but yeah, to rest, it's consolidating there when is having about the same resistance, about the same lows as well, support line there, horizontal, not a big gap between the two, resistance and support. So I'll say it's going sideways or consolidating. So, and the next one is FICO, but again we purchase it in the portfolio. We will want to see a positive before we sell it. So FICO, we bought it at this trend line, which is clearly the wall supporting that side of the mountain, the upside of the mountain. So that's that uptrend line ended and it pulled back. So I don't know if it's coming down here or not, but we'll just keep observing it. Yesterday was a pullback, so pretty much like the whole week or so it was just going down. So we'll just keep observing it. So this concludes how we analyze this portion of the stocks on our watch list using uptrend and swing trading strategy. The market closed on the 24th of January 2025, and we analyzed the chart to see how the markets, those stocks perform that day and where they are compared to where we like to buy them. We have our price bars. The red one are when the price went down that day. The evening price was lower than the morning price, and the green bar, the evening price was higher than the morning price. The price went up that day. And as a swing trader, you can swing trade on daily chart. You analyze your chart using daily chart, and you buy and sell using daily chart. It's good to have a stock watch list that you analyze, and you can analyze a daily even if you are not buying stocks, to just keep watching those stocks that you like to buy, how they are fluctuating, and when one of them reach a level that you like to buy at, when you have money, if you have money on hand, then you just buy some share and just keep observing it to see how it goes, how it performs going from there. And you can just take your own note on what you do differently at the next trade, at the next purchase, and then just keep improving your strategy from there, one share at a time, one trade at a time. So choose your entry point. If you are using this strategy, choose your entry point, and I like those long trend line at the bottom of the chart there are those valleys that's low point to enter the trade, rather than entering it at the upside of the mountain, where if it is done making peaks, it could just turn back on you, just like in this example that we have here, and we might have to hold it for a while before you sell it. So once you have few high lows around the trend line that you like to buy it, you can get in. So waiting, choosing a good entry point to get in, and once you have it in your portfolio, you can have a strategy, a guidelines to where you want to sell. It could be the next high, or it could be 10%, or any percentage lower or higher than that, depending on the stocks you are trading and your risk tolerance, and what things you like to try and see how it goes. It's okay. Just if you are starting, you can just buy one share. If that's 10% profit you have on it, you just sell it and lock it in and wait to go back in again at the trend line that you pick, and just start small. If that's $300 a trade, yes, just there are even large cap, there are some stocks that you'll be able to buy at a relatively low price. Not all of them are expensive. If we pick Walmart, for instance, it is less than $100 a share, and 10% is $9. So $9 profits, you can just get out and wait again for the next entry. So, but yeah, just start small and grow your account little by little. If you are interested in swing trading and you do not have a brokerage account yet, you can do your research and choose a good one, a good firm to have your brokerage account with. We use Charles Schwab, and the Thinkorswim is a platform, a trading platform that you can access for free if you have Charles Schwab account, and you can download it to your computer, or you can use the web version, or you can use the mobile version on your phone. I don't use the phone version, therefore I don't know much about it, but I think they have the mobile version, but I use the one that I download to my computer or my laptop to analyze the chart. And yeah, but just find, because you are going to invest and your money is not insured when you have it in the stock market, wisely choose a brokerage firm that has been around for a while, that you are comfortable having your money with them, because you are investing is a long-term strategy. Even if you are trading, is a long-term strategy that you have. Yeah, it might just be it'll be good to practice caution and choose a good firm. I like Charles Schwab because it has been around for a while. I took that into consideration when I was looking for a brokerage firm, and I have it for years, for more than 10 years, so that I have an account with them. So yeah, and just start small. Every paycheck, the end of the month, put some money in the account, even if that's $100, and keep analyzing stocks from your watch list. And when one fits is well positioned for you to buy, if it can fit within 100, then you buy it. Or if none of it reach the target line where you like to buy, every month just keep putting a little bit in your account to see it grow. And when you have enough capital to buy a stocks, and that stocks is well positioned, then you buy some share of it, even that's just one, so that you can stretch your dollar amount within multiple stocks. That way you don't just buy one, but you can experience with multiple, and small profit from each one of it is okay. It's not so much about the profit, it's more about the experience. It's like you put yourself into an internship, and you are making a few dollars along the way as well. For more of our video related to how you can create your watch list, will you please check in the description of this video for the link to that playlist. And for our other related videos related to swing trading, the links to those playlists will be in the description as well. For the other videos related to chart analysis of the stocks on our watch list after the market closed on January 24th, 2025, will you please check those links to those videos in the description. Thank you.